Have you ever listened to a speech that moved you to tears? Or maybe one that fired you up to take action? Perhaps you've watched someone break down a complex process so clearly that you felt like an expert by the end of it. Public speaking is all around us, and it comes in many forms. It's not just about delivering a message. It's about how you deliver that message and for what purpose. Through this experience, we've learned that public speaking is a skill that many people never learn in school. Yet, it's one of the most crucial for career success. To start building your confidence in public speaking, it's important to understand the different types of presentations you might give. Each type has its own approach and style. So let's break down the 4 main types of public speaking. Ceremonial speaking happens during special events. Examples of ceremonial speaking are a graduation speech, a toast at a wedding, or a few words at an office party. This type of speech is often filled with personal or emotional connections to the audience, making it a memorable part of the event. When giving a ceremonial speech, add a personal element by sharing a story related to the occasion or the person you're celebrating. Starting with a compelling story can capture the audience's attention right away. Keep your speech centered on the event. This isn't the time to stray into unrelated topics. Focus on celebrating the person or event in a meaningful way. Ceremonial speeches are typically short and sweet. Since these speeches are often given at celebratory events, a concise speech that comes from the heart is powerful. Your audience is there to celebrate, so keep your message brief to maintain their engagement. If you are a manager or want to become one, demonstrative speaking is a skill you'll want to develop. Demonstrative speaking involves explaining how to do something, often using step-by-step instructions. Break down complicated processes into simple, easy-to-follow steps. This makes it easier for your audience to understand and replicate what you're teaching. Speak clearly and avoid jargons to ensure everyone can follow along. The goal is to make complex concepts accessible. Use practical demonstrations or visual aids to reinforce your instructions. This helps your audience see exactly what you're explaining, making it easier to understand. If you've ever been to a Monday morning meeting, you've likely heard an informative speech. Informative speaking is all about providing necessary information. At work, this could mean giving important updates or sharing new data with your team. Being able to lead a productive conversation helps build your authority and ensures everyone is on the same page. It's about making sure information is clear and accessible. Sharing information that others may not know can position you as a knowledgeable resource. This is a great way to build your credibility and can help you stand out, especially if you're aiming for a promotion. The more you inform others, the more you develop leadership skills. A good leader keeps everyone informed and communicates proactively. Informative speaking is a key tool in achieving this. Persuasive speaking is about convincing your audience to adopt your idea or point of view. This type of speech often includes emotional appeals and strong language. Whether you're trying to get an investor to back your business or convincing your boss to approve a new project, persuasive speaking helps you sell your ideas effectively. Your tone plays a huge role in persuasive speaking. It sets the mood for your audience and guides how they should feel about what you're saying. Use gestures, eye contact, and posture to enhance your persuasive messages. Effective body language can draw your audience in and help make your case more compelling. Take the time to carefully craft your message. Start with the most interesting or compelling part to grab attention. Tailor your message to audience's need and interest and end with a strong call to action. Whether you're asking for a raise, pitching a new idea, or leading a celebration, Understanding these different types of public speaking and knowing how to deliver them effectively will give you a powerful edge in any situation.